I've just got a timer about 5 minutes or something, but try and capture this. My head is the cameraman.
Daddy, when I take my
Camera
skis back, are you
lens.
going to take yours? 3 pairs of skis that need changing. Well, in total. Your skis are right.
Yeah, fine.
I think my boots are a tad loose. Can't quite work it out.
Yeah, I just tightened my right boot up one.
There's a bit of play. About a centimetre, I think, but
Yeah. No, there was too much play. I could just hear that. It gradually happened. It wasn't like that at the beginning.
yeah, they get squashed in.
I really want to do the jump slope properly, but I can't because my skis don't work.
You can. You just need to, now you know how to do it. You've done it once. You can attack them a bit harder the next time, can't you?
Yeah, but I try to, but it doesn't do any different.
Right, well, let's not go on it again then.
No, I want to go on it.
No, I can't fix it right now, can I? That's it.
Is this the right chairlift?
Yep.
Because I'm sure the other one was red and black.
I reckon so, yeah. Is that Les Arcs? The sign that we had our pictures taken
Oh yeah,
with.
we aren't on the right one, are we? Was this called Arpette?
Yeah, 14. Up at 14 it was.
The other chairs are red and black. Yeah, the other ones are red and black.
Did you miss it? Oh, it's
No, we
because
didn't miss it. It's
because we went on the snow park. That's what threw me. I wasn't going to do that.
Don't tell me to take this to black. No, the red and black one's over there.
We need to go back there. We need to go back to the snow park.
Maybe this takes you to the top of the red and black one's over. Oh, wait, this goes really high. No higher than the other one, Daddy. The other one is over there, Mummy. Wait, it's going to go.
Yeah, sorry.
Oh, there's that platform up there. Look, that's where we started from then.
It is higher than the other one. Oh, yeah, because that's the one that we came on.
What number's that then? Oh, it was Sierra Leah or something. Carolia.
Carolee.
Harry, oh, we've just gone on slightly earlier. So.
Yeah, but it goes all the... No, it doesn't.
No, it's right. You know how when we went on the lift in 1950,
Yeah.
Bois de Lure, this one comes up to the top of there. So we just have to do a little bit of skiing to the right first. Which is what we would have done if we wanted to get to the other lift. So it's not really... Actually, I was never planning on going Carolee. Quite a way further down yet. You'd have had to go to get to Carolee. We're going to go across there. We did that earlier when we got our father. Yeah? No, we didn't get on the red, but we did up there. Yeah. We need some ski chair, some chairlift photos soon, don't we?
Hmm.
Showing your tracking on any apps if you know any badges. Did you?
Your skis are very